Hey there, I would just want to show a real quick demo of how you can create your character expression for the SillyTavern using the Traven Sprite application. So let's get started. So the idea behind this is very simple. You need one image and we will create the full character expression set using that. So how it works, it's simple. You upload your character image, let the AI do its thing, and then once it is finished, you will have the ready to use zip file. So let's get started. Okay, so to start using the service, you need to register the free account, no credit card required, and you will get one free character that you can use it to test the service. And if you like it, you can opt in for the paid plan. So let me get started. I already have the account before I created. So let me just log in. Okay, so here is the character UI. So first of all, we need to create the new character. I'll name it as something like this. Upload the image. Yep. And I'll click on the create character button. So here you can see it will take you to the character page. Your character is created with the two free expression that you get without paying anything. So in order to create the expression, you just need to click generate expression button. Let me just click it. It will start loading and it will create the expression in the background. It will take a couple of minutes. Okay, so now seems like we have finished the expression. So if you want to preview the expression, you can see it this way. Or you can download the individual character expression like that. Or best way is directly downloading the zip file. So this will create a ready to import zip file into your SillyTavern expression. So if you like the result, you can create the full character pack with 28 expression by creating the new character. You go here. Yeah, please purchase the plan that you like. So let me just go with this one for now. You will have the credit balance added to your account. You can check that. Now let's go to the character page. I'll create the new character. I will name it as Alexi2. Use the same image that I have. I'll create character. So once it is done, now you have the 28 different character expression. So by default, it will be the default image. But once you are okay, let's click on the generate image. Usually it takes 1 minute to finish. Depends on the image and the third-party services, but it will quickly finish. Let's just wait. So as we can see, the different character expression is started generating. Yes, so seems like that all of our character expression is ready to download and it's already generated. You can preview all this. You can see the character consistency and the pose change is there. So since I'm happy with my generation, let me download this one. I click on the download, it will compress and then download it for me. Okay, we have the expression ready to download. Let me just showcase how we can import the same character expression to your SillyTavern. So the step is very simple. This is my newly set up SillyTavern. I already have the character ready, called name Lexi. To import the expression, you can go to the extension, click on the character expression tab. Then here you see that you have the same character selected. I'll upload the sprite pack of expression and click. And once you upload the zip, you will have all the different expression already available with your SillyTavern. You can start using it right away.